Rest in peace, fam. Hand tight. It was fucking hard as hell to get off. Mobil 1.
Ass.
What are you hitting on Fram for?
Well, why'd you upgrade?
I wanted to upgrade. I want to be Toyota Tech right here. Hey, why'd you quit Toyota?
Moving on to better things.
Why'd you get fired? Hey, why'd you get fired?
Because I fucked all the girls there.
Fuck all the girls there? What about the chubby chick from the parts counter?
I don't even know her.
She's kinda cute, dude. Hey, stop, dude. Damn, you want to strip it more?
You gotta take it out in your drink.
Fucking shit, dude. I gotta drive back home.
Where's that engine cleaner?
Dude, this is why you don't bring your car to fucking Delta.
Where's that engine cleaner shit you had?
Yeah. Oh shit, it's in the trunk.
And we don't have brake cleaner right now.
Buckets. All buckets. Especially that one.
And do we even have a what's it called, a funnel?
Look at that bar.
The bar. Oh, sexy ass bar. Ultra Racing. Bought that at the junkyard for $20. Walmart sponsored me for that engine degreaser and brake cleaner.
Put all that gay music over.
Gay music, it still gets attention.
Yeah, everybody telling you to shut it off.
No. No, some people like it.
No, they don't.
Put down in the comments if you like my Maximum Tune music. My engine cover.
That's why I just told him to get the rag.
Again.
Bro, you got rust everywhere. You need to take this shit off and paint it.
It's rusty right here.
Every YouTuber is doing the
Is that enough?
The wrinkle black paint.
Do you think that's good?
Do this.
Or a little bit more? A little bit more?
No, I don't want wrinkle black paint. That's
No, right here, it's already wrinkled.
I'm taking that off.
Texture.
Alright, that's
Why?
good.
Because I'm going to put the TRD one.
Let me get this one.
It won't fit.
What are you talking about? It's adjustable right down there.
I'm going to put it in my sister's Matrix.
I'll give you mine. It's pink. She'll like it.
All I got to do is scrape off the S and it'll work for her car.
XR.
And this is real. This comes like that, people.
Man, don't disfigure it.
It comes like that. People saying I put that sticker on there.
Give your sister mine. It's pink.
You can't just put a Salka strut bar on a freaking Corolla. Damaged goods.
That's how you get that black shine to stick out.
Jeez. Okay.
Hey, start the car. Oh, I thought you meant the whole thing was a
Nah.
I don't even know if it's on or off.
He's knocking hard in my 1ZZ. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You break it, you buy it.
You sure it's on off?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Work.
Get the pan. Dude, it's gonna spill over here if you don't take this off.
It's fine. Actually, let me see. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You don't need to take it all the way off.
What the hell? Dude, it's not supposed to be that color. What the?
That's the fill, dude. Now get the drain. Right there. Right there's the drain. Dude, I bet you that's the original. That's the original fill.
Recording?
Yeah.
What?
YouTube. I do YouTube. You have an Instagram? Huh? What is it? I'll give you a shout out
My Instagram?
to my 550 subscribers.
Ooh, for real, that's
An exact number?
553, I believe. I got 553 subscribers.
What are you guys doing?
What's your Instagram?
_ Adam Rain. ADAMRAIN. Shout me out.
It's a 24.
For the drain.
And you need a short one because the long one won't fit. Hurry the fuck up. What do you think I'm paying you for?
Shut your broke ass, so you got no money to pay me for shit.
Wow, says I'm broke.
That shit's rusted through.
It's an Illinois vehicle, I already said it. It's not a, yeah. The Celica is a California car. That one's rust free.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys?
Fucking good. Fucking shit. Damn. What is that smell?
Yeah, so like you guys, if you guys that thing doesn't get off. I got it on like my shirt and I can't get it off anymore.
You gonna clean this shit up?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to. Got all over my shit.
Bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. I think that's. God damn, that shit smells.
It smells like rotten cooch in the bottle. It's gross.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure this out.
Huh? There it goes. Chug, 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 chug. The daily bucket. Right? Oh boy. Don't be revving shit up. Remember what happened last time with the Z that Vang owns.
And let me show you how to reset the maintenance light.
I know how to do it. Go ahead, reset it. Okay. Turn off the music. Copyright.
Alright, so
It has to be off completely, doesn't it?
No, it's fine. Just put it on, or you put it on trip A, turn it off, hold this, and then go to accessories. And it should be blinking.
It's not.
It's blinking.
Where?
Right here. Maintenance required.
No, it's not. That's not how you do it.
Oh, it's probably on the odometer since it's an older car. See, the lines are
There
going.
you go.
It's an older car, dude. The new car is trip
It's
A.
the same shit. Alright. High mileage XRS. Insulting his bro like that. Why are you insulting him like that for?
I'm just saying, you look like you could be.
Well, he could be what?
I said you look like you could be a high school janitor.
You gotta let him talk to you like that?
I said you.
Oh, me?
Yeah, I was talking about
Fuck
you. Joseph don't look like that. Joseph would look like he'd be the one to cut the grass.
Wow.
Could I be Mexican first?
I told you to get that Mexican soccer jersey yesterday.
Sebastian be the dirty ass nigga looking like he cleans all the bathrooms.
Wow. Owes $30,000.
That's fucked up.
Am I right or am I right?
You were just calling me fucked up for saying that. And then you go on saying
Hey,
that
it's a
shit.
cruel world out there, man. It's a cruel world. Right, Joseph?
You need to put some more pressure on that floor.
Talk to me when your arms aren't this thin. I don't need to struggle to get the same result.
Oh, I have a simple there, fuck.
Shit water with even more shit water. Man. That thing's pure black.
That was white. I put it over at one time and it was that black.
Why would you put it on without the soap?
I think it's gonna make a difference.
Good.
Get the heat gun, it's right out.
The heat gun? Get the leaf blower. Where is it at?
There's a fan right there, dude. Man, is that custom? Is that a custom banner?
Don't sit here and record me.
I'm recording you now because this is good content. This is good content right here. He has a pink collar. He supports breast awareness, people. But I'm asking him,
just a good guy like
where's your pink ribbon at, though?
Yeah, I'm wearing it around me. This is the ribbon.
Nah.
Here we go, yeah, I'm hungry. Come on, let's go, I'm hungry.
You're always fucking hungry.
Oh, does it look like I'm always hungry?
Yes.
Man,
I'm a starving boy, man.
starving boy. What
I need
the
to
fuck?
eat. Don't you see me? I need to eat.
Quiero chichi de su mamá.
A what?
You understood that? Yeah. Okay. So he's Hispanic.
What else did he look like?
Well, look at you. You look Hispanic, and I fucking confuse you. And you're being Middle Eastern.
Ay, güey. Pinche cabrón.
Pinche cabrón. Pinche estúpido.
A chúpame huevos.
Wow, this is not good for YouTube, dude. This is gonna get demonetized instantly.
RPF 1 reps.
RPF 1 reps? Those are RPF 1 reps?
Look like it.
They look like it.